What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be patching up the sub box. So I got some liquid nails here and some new screws. It's leaking pretty bad. Has quite a bit of air leak surrounded. So like around the subs here, like some of these screws aren't even in all the way. Or like they're in, but you know, they're not tight, they're just spinning in there. So, and you can like hear the air, like when you're playing a song and the bass is going, you can like definitely hear the air leak. I'm gonna take these subs out and then patch any holes that are in the box that I can find with the liquid nails, and then I'm gonna throw these subs back in and put the new screws in, and we should be set. I should hit a little harder, but I'm gonna do that and then I'll let you guys know. Alright, it's a little dark, sorry about the lighting, but now I can start taking these little things off here that cover the screws and start taking these subs out. So I'll do that here and then let you guys see. Alright, I got the subs out. And it looks like the only holes there are you can see two back there on the back on that side, and then two on that side. So I mean, that's just from the amp, but the sides don't look too bad. They're a little cracked, like where the factory seal is, but I might just throw some of those screws that I took out like into the sides just to keep it together better. But yep, I'm gonna fill those holes in and then throw these subs back in and put the new screws in. Alright, we got that patched up. It doesn't look the best, but I mean, it's flat and it works, so it'll be good. I didn't do the back. Usually I do the back side, but that should be fine. And I'm gonna get rid of these subs soon. I'm actually trading them for something, which I'll show you guys once I get it. But yep, that'll work. And then now I just gotta put those screws in and we should be hitting pretty hard. Alright, we got the new screws in. You can see all the shininess of them. But now I just gotta put those little covers back on and then try it out. Alright, we got them all back on. Now time to put this box back in there and then listen to see if they got louder. They should. I've done this to like all my other sub boxes that I've gotten like used and stuff, and that have had holes in them, and you could really tell the difference, especially if you can hear the air leak before you even do it. So I'm thinking it should be a lot better. It should punch a lot harder, like, you know, but we'll see. All in there, all good. Let's see if it got louder.